My name is Marc Owens. I'm a product support rep with Kirby-Smith. We're going to talk about track adjustment on your excavator today and why it's important. Each machine is going to be different, but in the service manual that comes with every machine, there was a section that will tell you the optimal drop that it needs to be to prevent premature wear. Okay, the tools you'll need to check your track adjustment on your machine is any straight edge that is long enough to go from your front carrier to your idler, and a ruler. So right now I am checking the distance from the top of the grouser pad to the bottom of your straight edge. Depending on where that measurement comes in, according to the service manual, is whether you need to add grease or take out grease. So if you need to add grease or take out grease to get your track tension where you want it to be, right in this access port, there is a fitting with the grease zert on the end. If you want to add grease, you just hook your grease gun onto the grease zert, you pump in some grease till you get it to where it needs to be. If you need to release grease to get it where it needs to be, you just get a socket onto the fitting where the grease zert is and back it off a little bit until the grease starts coming out. When you let some grease out and you get it to where it needs to be, you tighten it back. After you do that, you want to track the machine forward the length of the tracks that are on the ground, and then take your measurement after adding or removing grease.